Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review. Grade 1 Spelling, Quiz B Words. Spell the word, surroundings. The students clean the campus surroundings. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, demonstrate. I tried to demonstrate in front of the class. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, scrambled. She scrambled out of the chair. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word, characters. The story has colorful characters. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, sequence. We go to the classroom in sequence. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, challenging. I find the job challenging and fun. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word, complaining. Stop complaining, just do it. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, huge. There is a huge hole in the wall. And the answer is letter B. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.